Hello, I'm Maggie Andy, known as Dr. Maggie UK. I'm here today for the most incredible training. I just had to give some positive feedback because honestly, the miracles that Mirella and Andrea have worked here with me today are just unprecedented. As a lot of you may know, I'm used to being on stages, I'm used to talking in front of big audiences, I'm used to doing keynote speeches, but when it comes to being in front of the camera, I'm usually petrified. And I got here maybe about 8:30 this morning. 9:30 a.m. I was still kind of rocking in front of the camera, not sure what to do. But Andrea and Mirella, oh my goodness, what a calming influence they are. They've worked their miracles. If you saw my 60-second pitch I did like 30 minutes ago, you wouldn't believe it's the same person. It took them 7 hours to transform me, and now I have the energy to go forward and do all the things I've missed out on in my life. And now I'm ready for the media opportunities that are coming my way. I feel like I can attack them, I feel like I can enjoy them, and I feel like I can finally give back and deliver my message to the world. So thank you, Mirella, thank you, Andrea. I love you both, and I have so much gratitude right now. Please, please, women, if you need to beg, borrow, or steal, you must do this course. Even if you just do it once, trust me, you'll learn enough to take yourselves forward, and you'll have some mentors for life in Mirella and Andrea. God bless you all. Thank you.